What up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy, John Mike, back again today with another studio tour. We're down in Austin, Texas at the Warm Audio Studio. And we're going to jump in here and see what they're talking about because not only do they make great products, but they have an amazing studio. So let's dig into it.
Hello, how you doing?
Come on in.
Welcome to the studio.
Yeah, this is dope.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too.
Welcome to the studio.
Welcome. So we're here at Warm Audio Studio.
Yes.
This is amazing.
Yes.
Yeah. So when was the studio? When was the studio built?
The studio was built in 2022 during COVID.
Awesome.
The company is
built this during COVID?
Yep.
Oh wow.
We're blessed to people were at home. So
oh wow.
Remember. The studio was built here in 2020.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
And so what is it that you actually do here?
I actually manage the studio. I do artist relations and A&R. So I manage this wonderful facility and I get to interact with a bunch of artists and creators all around the world.
Wow.
Yep.
Well, take us on in and show us the
all
studio.
Right.
What
yeah,
is this?
Well,
this is the lobby
want a
area?
Snack?
Right.
We do have snacks.
Studio
snacks and drinks. Any water, juice? It's hot outside.
No, I'm good
okay.
right now.
All right.
Let's dig in. So this is the lobby area?
Yes, this is our lobby area. We have it for artists and creators. We actually have a arcade with about, I think, 500 games on there.
And it works?
Yeah, 508 games. Yep, every last one of them work.
Wow.
Nostalgic, because it has Mario Brothers.
Wow. And then these are like some of the people that you got that have recorded here or worked here and stuff?
Yep, so a lot of you, for those that you don't know, we are connected to Warm Audio, so we make our pro audio gear. Yeah. Analog studio gear for artists and creatives, and these are some of the artists that we had a chance to try and purchase our gear. So Stevie Wonder is like one of our main customers. He loves the 251, although he's on our 44 ribbon mic. He was just testing it out, but he really loves the 251. Wow. Shout out to Stevie Wonder. Yes, yeah, and we have John Batiste. John Batiste. We had a chance to meet him at NAMM. Lee Brice has actually been in this studio, and he has. Says he used our 251 and our 14 on his #1 platinum album on Billboard, so that's why we have his platinum.
Oh yeah, I put that up too. And Dolly Parton.
Yeah, Dolly Parton and Chad Smith with Red Hot Chili Peppers. He actually did the promo video for our 76 right here in the studio. So we flew him, Corey Henry, and a couple of other artists here, and they actually got a chance to be in the studio in person. So shout out to Chad Smith from the Red Hot Chili Peppers. But yeah, that's just a small amount of the artists that we've had in here. Because shout out to our indie artists who we really make this studio for to afford a studio quality facility, an industry standard studio. Let's say that at an affordable price.
I love it. I love it. So what else we got?
So we'll take a walk into our studio. We'll start in our B room, which is our smaller room here.
Okay.
Oh, y'all excuse this. So we'll call this our B room, and this right here, you walk directly into the ISO booth. If you can hear, you just how that sound just kind of canceled immediately when you walked in. Yeah. So that is we contribute that to our whisper walls here.
Nice.
And our diffusers that we have, and how each room has its own foundation.
Nice.
Yep. So.
And then this is the B room.
This is our control room, what we call our B control room. As you can see, we have our preamps, our compressors.
Yeah.
All warm gear. Yep. We have some other pieces in here, like we do use the Lynx interface.
Yeah.
It's a couple of things like that. We shout out to SSL. But other than that, this is our gear.
Yep. Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah, a lot of engineers like to mix in here because the sound is really great. And our indie artists, they like this more intimate space for creative wise.
I can see that.
Yeah.
I can definitely see that.
It's pretty cool in this room.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, check it out.
Love it.
Yeah. All right. And then we'll travel over to our big room, which we use for live space. We call our live room.
That's really cool.
This is control room A.
Okay.
As you can see, we have more racks, more gear here. Our bigger space for more creativity, bigger groups of people, live bands we like to track in this space. Content, video. We've had jam sessions. We've had Tiny Desk submission. We have content.
Oh, really?
We have content. We do podcasts. Yeah, we have creative situations in here. It's all kind of stuff in here. This room, this space, I really love it. It's great. It's a big, nice space to create.
All of the warm
and actually
audio
collab.
gear.
Yep. So as you can see, we just have more, all of our same gears. The other space, just more
Just more.
More of it. Mm-hmm.
And then the same that's the same one that's in there.
It's
the
the
same
exact
SSL
same one.
that's in there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so awesome.
We also shout out to our other sponsors like Nord
Yeah.
and Juno, Roland. Shout out to Roland. We have some pieces because we are pretty much a fully backline studio.
Yeah. Okay.
And we'll take you to a live room and we can see.
Yeah. Let's check out the big space.
Mm-hmm.
This is really cool.
Yeah.
You know, for years, people have been asking me, where did I get my loops from? And so now it's finally available to you through Loop Elements Pro. For example, if you want a loop for your church, you can do a loop that sounds like this. Or a loop that sounds like this. I have loops for slow worship songs. Songs like, you supply my every need. So now that the Loop Elements Pro Signature Sounds by Mike Burrell is available to you, make sure you use it for the Lord and with the Nord.
Now we're walking into our live room here. As you can see, we have 25-foot ceilings all the way up, treated acoustically, very, very nice. We are a fully backline studio, so that you don't have to bring drums, you can. As you can see, we have a set of DW drums in one of our ISO booths. We have 2 ISO booths here that you can use however you choose. We've had the drums out here. We've put them in there. We've had singers out here, in there, whichever the sound you're trying to collect out in this space. We also have a loft there that we can do podcasts. We also have the capability to record and track up there as well.
Oh, really?
Yep. So if your vibe is a little different, you want a different sound or a different space, we can track you up there.
That's awesome. And then y'all have the piano.
And we have our Disclavier, a Yamaha. Shout out to Yamaha Disclavier. This is a semi-grand piano here, and it's actually a MIDI, which is what we're doing today.
Which is what we're doing today.
Yep.
Stay tuned for that.
Exactly.
We got more information coming to you guys on that. Make sure y'all guys stay subscribed so y'all know what we're doing with this. It's gonna be really, really cool.
Excited to hear what comes out of that.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
And right behind you, we have our Hammond, our B3 with the Leslie.
With the Leslie.
Yep. And our Fender. So we have a Fender. This is a 1976 Rhodes.
Nice.
Yes. And our collection of guitars.
Y'all track with that?
Yes, we have tracked with this, and we also have done nice live jam sessions with this.
Oh man, that's awesome.
We've also tracked with this too.
Yeah, definitely. I would hope so.
That sound, yeah. Actually, Percy came in here and got a nice sound out of this.
Nice.
And of course, a collection of electric and acoustic guitars and bass. And shout out to Orange and Matchless and Marshall, Bergatino and Bad Cat for these amazing amps.
Awesome.
Yeah. All right. So also here in the studio, what you get when you book this space is every piece of gear that we own. So you have access to all of our microphones that we create here. As you can see labels. So if you are R&B, we have a different mic for that sound. If you are gospel, country, we have a different mic that can bring out that sound and that quality, along with a preamp and a good compressor.
Nice.
So all of this is guaranteed to you when you book this space here as well. And if you are a guitar player, we have a plethora of pedals that we can offer you for whatever sound. We did just release our 76, which is our compressor and a pedal.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
So our pedal 76. Yep. So we have a bunch of compressors that you pedals that you can try for your guitar. And or piano, because that one of the chorus is good for that too, just depending on whatever sound.
Super dope.
Yep.
And so we can see the podcast space up there?
Yeah, we absolutely. You can take a walk up there, watch your step and your head if you're tall. Yep. So I actually come and work up here sometimes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, to get a different.
To kind of get some peace.
A little quiet. It's still peace and quiet in here, but sometimes I want to, creative space. And
Yeah.
I come up here.
Oh, this is cool.
Yep.
Yeah, this is
So
such
we
a
have,
vibe.
yep. So if you can see, we can patch in here.
Yeah.
So we can record and have a podcast conversation right here, or you can sing and stand right here and look over here.
Yeah.
We love to have a room mic sound. So we
Yeah.
also put room mics up here to capture sound down there too.
Oh, wow. That's super cool.
Yeah, it's a multi-purpose space.
Yeah.
It's a multi-purpose space and it's really fun.
This is really cool.
Yeah.
Really, really cool. So cool. So this is pretty much the end of the studio space right here.
Yeah.
And then we did a podcast earlier. You guys, it may or may not be on, depending on when you're watching that. We did a podcast with the actually owner and CEO of Warm Audio, and he talks like about all of the nerdy stuff that some of you might be wanting to watch. So if it's already out, go ahead and check it out. If it's not out, it's coming out soon. All right. So, but now back to you, Lori.
Uh-huh.
This is the end of the studio part of it, but there's a whole distribution side to this, right? Where you got, because not only do you guys have the studio here on this side, you guys have the factory side.
Yeah, we have
side.
headquarters. So this is home of Warm Audio headquarters.
Do you mind if we see that side as well?
Absolutely.
I think
Show
that would
you
be
where the
really cool.
magic happens and how we get all that good sound coming out of this studio. So we'll travel on that side.
Let's do that.
All right, let's go. So now you have left the studio side and you are over on the audio side.
Oh, wow.
All right, so this is where all the gear that we make for your studio needs here. Mm-hmm. We don't make it here. We don't manufacture it here.
Yeah.
We distribute it here.
So this is like the distribution.
This is the distribution area. This is headquarters. This is where we all reside and make the magic happen, right?
Oh, wow.
But I can show you kind of where it starts when it comes into the building and how it leaves out the building.
Awesome.
Yep. So we love our kitchen space now.
Yeah.
Y'all like marble counters? No, I'm just playing.
Marble not.
Marble. So let me cut the light on, sorry. So this is what we call our QC area. This is our quality control. This is where everything comes off the truck into the warehouse and it gets tested by all of our QC personnel here. What they do is they take any piece of gear that comes in, we take it out the box, we test it, we look for cosmetics, we test for frequency, we test for sound. Everything. Once it's done and tested, it gets back in the box and back on the shelf to be shipped out to our distributors. Wow. If it's not, we have our own in-house repair team that's in here that repairs any piece of gear that we have for Warm Audio. And if you need something repaired, we don't ship it out. We have you guys send it right here and we repair it in-house and we ship it out.
Wow.
Good thing right now is all of our gear right now is backed by a 5-year warranty. So we kind of guarantee nothing's wrong.
Wow.
That's a real good guarantee.
That's a good guarantee.
Yeah. So this is our QC room. All right. And this is our big space here.
Oh, wow.
This is our shipping and receiving. Basically everything that comes in is on this row here. And this is what I talked about that comes off the shelf, goes straight into QC, get tested. And once it's tested and good, we put it on this side to be shipped out to our distributors.
It's a lot of inventory. So how often do y'all get inventory in each week?
Oh, that depends. So if we have a new product, it's shipped. Yeah. This, I think, we're like once or twice a week, we'll get a big truck. But the good thing about it is it's so fast and efficient that this row will be gone this week for the next truck.
Oh, wow. So this is a week's worth of work. All of that.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yep. All of that. And it gets in return.
So if it's on this side, it's just came in.
This side of the warehouse has just come in.
And that side.
This side is ready to be shipped out.
So y'all pull them off the pallets, test them.
Pull them off the pallets.
Put them back on the pallet, shrink wrap it back on, put it up there, and then ship it out.
Yep. Our warehouse is a pretty tight ship, and it's really efficient. It's really efficient. Like,
wow.
Yeah.
That is so crazy.
Yeah. They really put a lot of work in making the process really smooth, but also making the gear really quality and affordable for you guys. Like,
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that. I love the fact that I never would have thought that, because you see Warm Audio stuff, you see all of the, I got several Warm pieces. I bought them from Sweetwater, bought them from different places, Guitar Center, all that stuff like that. But you never think about like, oh, there's a distribution center. But you often think about companies nowadays that are doing all of this stuff overseas, and they're just getting the pallets and they're getting them in and they're just sending them off to, back off to the description, the all of the places like Guitar Center and all that stuff like that. But I never would have thought you guys really take pride in like getting the product in, testing it, and then shipping it out to the customers. And that's really cool.
Yeah, Bryce really did a good job about sticking by his product. And
Yeah.
when he means that, it's like keeping everything in-house. Like, we're going to test our own stuff. We're
Wow.
going to make sure you know that we are personally,
Yeah.
Warm is personally testing your gear.
That's
and
so
we'll
good.
send, and we are shipping it out to you. So nobody else has touched it. Nobody else has tested it. It's backed by our guarantee here,
Wow.
right in-house. So
This
that's
is
what I
such-
love about it.
This is such a cool space to have, like, basically the business on one side and the creative on the other.
Yeah.
That's like a dream come true, like for some people I know, like to have all of this
Yeah.
here, but then have a studio that you can actually test and
Yep.
use the gear and
Yep.
have it be used in practice, and it's open to the public and people can come in, and that's
Yep.
really cool.
And it's two different dynamics, right? And the good benefit that I love about the studio is the warehouse is right here.
Yeah.
So if I need to get something that's a benefit, I can just come right next door. I don't
Hey, I
have to
need a
wait a
compressor.
week. Yeah. I don't have to wait a week to get something fixed or anything, worked
Yeah.
on. I can just go right next door and get a microphone. If you want to try a different something that we don't have, I can just come get it.
That's crazy.
Instead of waiting like you got to come back and book
Or running
another
the
week.
running the
Or
guitar
run to
center.
Guitar Center. No, everything is right here.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so that's a really, really good benefit that I love about being on the creative side and then being able to come on this side and,
Super dope.
appreciate
Super
the
dope.
business side of it. So,
Super dope.
So that's our life. Yeah,
Wow.
that is our life here at Warm Audio / Warm Studios. Please
So if
come
they-
visit us.
Right. And if they want to like maybe book some time at the studio, or if they want to follow you guys on social, buy some Warm gear,
Oh,
where
yeah.
can they get that stuff at? And how can they connect with you guys?
So for the studio, it's our Instagram is Warm Studios Official, at Warm Studios Official. Our website is warmaudio.studio. There you can see our space. You can do like a little mini tour. You can see what pieces of gear we have, all of our inventory. You can also book through there and have a direct line to contact me. For Warm Audio, it's warmaudio.com. And you can see all of our gear online there. You can also hear samples of different chains.
Wow.
What microphones, what new things are happening, what things are coming. And also we have a lot of events happening in the studio really, really soon. Some master classes coming up, so stay tuned.
Awesome.
Yeah, so that's how you can find us. And we're also in Austin. You can Google us. If you're ever in town and want to book a tour, just hit me up.
Awesome.
Yep.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys connect with Warm Audio. Lori, all these people, great people. They're so hospitable. They, invited us in, allowed us to use the studio for some content and some other things that we're going to be telling you guys about pretty soon. That's going to be really, really dope. So make sure you get subscribed so you can understand what we're going to be doing next. And I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch. Make sure you do the things that you do on the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I never say ring the bell, but this time I'm going to say ring that little bell or whatever. Do all that stuff that you do on the video. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. I'm out. Holla at your boy.